Agriculture Minister Dr. Ampreen Lyngdoh addressed reporters after meeting with leaders of the FKJ-GP and the association, stating that she has heard their concerns. She assured them that she will convene a meeting with various departments to discuss the issues. Lyngdoh committed to ensuring that all parties, including farmers and buyers, are protected and that there will be no adverse impact. The leaders requested exemption for vehicles carrying vegetable produce, particularly indigenous products from within and around the state from certain regulations.
Currently met colleagues and deputy CMs of transport and of the police department, where they wanted a consult on the exemption of vehicles carrying vegetable produce of especially indigenous products from in and around the state. They have met with the two deputy CMs. I will also take guidance. Now that they've met me, and I have been hearing that there is this big gap between sellers, traders, buyers. So we will see, we will figure this out. I am just at the initial stage of calling all stakeholders on board. Let me first get properly briefed. Then I will call them again sometime before the Independence Day.
Leaders of the Khasi student